Hello guys, I'm Swastik Sharma and today I will be talking about a very important topic. A very important topic that you should consider thinking about during this pandemic. Should you learn a programming language during this pandemic? So let's go. Before starting, I would like to tell first that this video is not meant for people who are already working in the field of IT engineering. This video is also not meant for people who are already pursuing a degree of engineering related to the field of IT. So let's go. A programming language is a language that tells computers what to do in order to work. It's like a set of instructions that your computer will follow in order to do something. Using the programming language to write something is called programming. What you have written using the programming language is called a program, and the person who has written the program is called the programmer. Everything in your computer is programmed by someone, and you yourself can program a software that will do something in your computer. So, getting back to what I said in the start, C++, Java, and Python are some programming languages that people learn to program their software in the computer. You can use programming languages to make software that will automate things that will take time if it's done by a human. You can make software that will automate things that you find boring. Or you can use programming languages to program a software that will lock someone's computer away until they transfer some Bitcoin to you. Oh wait, that's a virus. So you can use programming languages to program your own virus. So let's quickly discuss low level and high level programming languages. Low level programming languages are the languages that are not supposed to be understood by you, but are supposed to be understood by the machine. So one example of a low level programming language is in the form of zeros and ones. That's called binary language. And for high level programming languages, you can consider Java or Python. Those are high level programming languages. High level programming languages are supposed to be understood by you and are supposed to be used by you to program your software. Low level programming languages are the languages that are supposed to be understood by your computer and interpreted by your computer to execute your tasks. So now let's talk about automating things using programming languages. When I was interning at a company, I was told to do a very boring task. The task was to survey this website. The website sold artwork, and I was told to manage an Excel sheet and write down the links of every artwork that had the keyword education in its title. This task was very boring, and I was told to do this task every day for a week. And I decided to automate this task. So I wrote a Python program that would go through the whole website automatically and copy the link of every artwork that had the keyword education in it into the Excel spreadsheet that I had. So that was just a real world example of automating things using programming languages. You can automate a lot of other things in the data entry field using programming languages. So this was just an example of what you can do using programming languages. You can automate a lot of other stuff in data entry field. For example, copying data from Notepad to Excel, different cells of an Excel spreadsheet. That can be automated using programming languages. You can use programming languages to make software that you can sell to people or to companies. So that's a very good thing. So now let's talk about why learning one programming language is important. It adds a lot of value to your resume. When you learn a programming language, you can add it to your resume. And when a company sees it, they will know how you approach problems and how you will be able to solve them. And also you can use programming languages to automate your own things. You can automate data entry or any other thing using programming languages. And then you can also use your skill of programming to get a job at a company that works in the IT sector or the robotics sector. So that's very good. So now let's discuss why learning programming can be a waste of time for you. If you don't like learning complex things, then this can be a waste of time for you. If you want to enter a managerial position that is not associated to IT in any kind of way, then this can be a waste of time for you. If you are not interested to use programming to automate your daily tasks, then this can be a waste of time for you. If you are not passionate about it, then it can be a waste of time for you. It's completely okay if you are not interested in learning programming. But you need to know one thing, that as time is going by, technology is becoming more mainstream and programming languages are becoming easier to understand. So programming will become more and more mainstream. So it's up to you if you want to get on the train to bring changes in the technology, or if you just want to stay on the platform and enjoy the changes that are happening in technology. So it's completely up to you. I hope that this video helps you make a choice. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more informative content that we will be uploading in the future. Thank you.